Some.
Do not turn off your television. Do not pay any attention to the screams outside. They are mimicking your neighbors screaming. Do not investigate. They will know when you observe them. Do not look at the entities. Do not attempt to run away. They can easily catch up with automobiles. Hide in your home and turn off all lights. Leave all devices in a different room so if they make sounds like notifications or phone calls, the entities will investigate them and not you. If they spot you, it's too late. You cannot fight the entities. They are immune to all weapons. Not even your plasma multi-phase blaster or your Berlin A47-34 assault rifle can help you stand a chance against these entities. Melee weapons will pass through them. Your fists will be stopped. It will hurt like never before. You will feel your insides be exposed to the night. If you see someone with features that they should not have, like wheels, standing upright without any proper support, or tentacles, they are not human. If you see a vehicle without a driver, the vehicle is alive and will kill you. Running to a big city or heavily populated area will not guarantee safety from entities. Some big cities have already had sightings of the hostile entities. Although not all entities are hostile, the ones that are hostile are too dangerous and are hard to distinguish from the friendly ones. If you see anything remotely human yet has features that are biologically impossible or that it should not have, do not take any chances and look away immediately.
The entities are currently in the states highlighted in red. The states highlighted yellow have less dangerous entities. The states highlighted in green have no entities. The states highlighted in cyan have much more dangerous entities. The states highlighted black are a lost cause.
If you live in any states highlighted black, you might as well give up as there is no way to save yourself. Your vehicle will turn on you. Your pets will find you. Your house will open up and expose you to everything outside. There is no reversing this. This is beyond our understanding, and therefore we cannot help you. Accept your fate. Update. Nowhere on Earth is safe. They are everywhere. They will end us all.